to life.
We're getting prepped for the next step, which is the installing of the glass. So all of the fine tuning with welding the pieces and getting the framework completely in and stable needs to be completed, and then as soon as the glass comes, then they'll be able to just slide in. We won't have a mix of welding, which doesn't go well with glass. Getting all that prepped ahead of time is key, making sure that everything's polished and put in place.
Wait in the middle. Wait in the middle. In the middle.
You're just in the middle.
Easy.
That's the way.